Oh, music stopped.
Yeah, it's not good for you.
Oh, thanks. Alright guys, so what is up YouTube? Thrift School over here, and me and Kristen are over here working on these clothes in the kitchen. Just holding something up, taking a look. What brand do we have here?
Carhartt?
Carhartt, pretty cool. These are all those clothes that we got for free. So we're working on, these are clothes that need to be put in the dryer because they got wrinkles on them. So a great tip is, if you have a whole bunch of clothes that need the wrinkles out, toss them in the dryer with a wet rag. They'll be good to go. These ones have stains in them, stuff that's just, you know, not good. So we are going to try and put those at a tag sale, possibly just donate them, things like that. And then in here in the laundry room, we have one shirt that has not really a stain, but some stuff on it that just needs to be washed off. So I think it will wash off fine. And then this pile is the pile we are going through right now. This is just from one bag. And then right over here, these are all the shirts that are good to go over on eBay. So I picked up all of these clothes completely free at a local pickup that I had a good connection with. Now, you can see some of these brands here. We have LL Bean. Let's see if it'll focus in. There we go. LL Bean. There's the Carhartt. Underneath is an Eddie Bauer. There's a Gap, but it's just got kind of a cool shirt. Right here, another Eddie Bauer. Nothing amazing. You know, some alright brands. Here's another LL Bean with some pearl snaps. So that's pretty cool. Now right in here, we do have a whole bunch of different things. We're looking at like Hawaiian style shirts, flannels. This is a pretty nice one. It feels like it's wool. Yeah, it's Wool Rich. You can see the brand right there. Come on. There we go. Wool Rich, made in USA, 100% wool. So we'll see if that has any holes in it. Got a whole bunch of clothes. Now this isn't it. Oh, hi, Soph. This is also some of the stuff that we have in bags. As you can see, there's another bag. There's my office. So we do have a whole bunch of bags to go through. And right here. So that's why we want to get rid of them, because this area was getting just loaded with clothes. This is my living room, and we did not want this room to be jam-packed. There's Kristen with the pupper. And we had, you know, a bag right there, a bag right here, a bag right here. So we're slowly bringing them in here, just sitting them up against this, and we are just trying to get rid of them all, get them all listed. Soph wants more room to hang out in. As you can tell, she's very happy. Hi. Hi. Everybody misses you. I've been seeing some of you guys right down below that you miss Sophia, so there she is. But, yeah, so this is what we're going to go through. I'm going to film a little bit of it, show you guys what I think these things are going to go for. Actually, I can tell you right now, LL Bean shirts, I always list at around $19.99. Free shipping over on eBay. Sometimes they sell for that, sometimes they don't. So I like to list it at that higher price. In case it does sell, I get that money. If it doesn't, once I put it on sale, they go between 15 and 20 bucks. So 15 bucks still for a free shirt, not too bad. It's going to cost about $3.50 to ship, so that's good. At 15 bucks, you're looking at about $2 in fees at the most, at the high end, so that's not bad. Soph's helping us. She really shouldn't be in here because she does shed a lot, but what else do we have in here? This is some Corona. You can see the logo right down in there. Corona Hawaiian shirt. It's unique. I'm thinking 15 bucks. This is a GH Bass Co. Denim kind of button up. It's women's, so you know, 15 bucks, I'll be happy. Really, I'm expecting about 15 to 20 bucks for most of this stuff. Maybe this 100% Wool Rich would go for more if it was winter, but since it's summer, it's gonna be a little bit of a tougher sell. Now, all of these things, the brands aren't amazing when it comes to these Hawaiian shirts. I'll show you what we're looking at. This one's cool because it says National Lampoon's Van Wilder on it. So I just thought that was interesting enough to, you know, pick up. Not sure what it would go for, but you know, it is what it is. What else do we have right here? This is CAD clothing, K-A-D. Don't even know what that is. It's probably not even silk. No, it's rayon, but it's a 2X, so it's pretty big. I have a couple 4Xs in here. A lot of these clothes are between an XL and a 4X, so we are looking at bigger clothes, which means a little more money, which you can never go wrong with a little more money. So we're gonna start sorting through these things, see if we find anything really cool. Let's get into it. Now here's a brand I've never heard of. It's Frost Proof. It's 100% cotton, made in USA. It's kind of like a flannel. It's pretty heavy duty. It's pretty thick cotton. And you could see right there we go. It's pretty dense. It's got the pockets on it. It's nice. I don't know. These are things that I just grabbed from this guy that was liquidating pretty much all of his stuff that he used to sell online. And no idea what it goes for, but I grabbed it because it was made in USA. Another Woolrich right here. Now this is cotton. Cotton Woolrich stuff doesn't go for as much, but still it goes for good money. Now one thing you want to look for with a lot of these, I don't believe this has it, it doesn't, are elbow patches. If you got like a suede or a leather elbow patch on here, guys, they could go for a good amount more. Now there are a couple J. Crew in here with elbow patches that are pretty nice. What else do we have in here? I really like these flannels. It's probably LL Bean. Oh no, it's another Woolrich. So I did end up finding lots of Woolrich. Hey, you can't go wrong. I know the brand isn't worth a whole heck of a lot right now, but it is what it is. Now here is a very heavy, super lined. Oh, you can see this button is broken right here. So this is something that I've been dealing with a few of these shirts. You could tell that the threading is kind of torn right here, but it is still a nice jacket. It's Hunter's Run. Never heard of that before. Here's the logo so you guys can see it a little more clearly. Hunter's Run. So who knows what this will actually go for, but it is really heavy duty, really thick, really dense. Now that one broken button, I like to look inside, see if there are any spare buttons. Now look at that, there are some stains in here. So if this isn't worth anything online, this would be something that would go to the tag sale or garage sale, yard sale, whatever you call it in your area. Yeah, see that little stain right there? So that's something that we'd stick in that pile, and this is the garage sale pile. And you know, $2, $3, $4, whatever I decide to sell it for. Hey, even if I get a buck for it, I don't mind, it's free. Right here we have a cool kind of 80s track jacket, Reebok. Looks really cool. Just a track jacket, you know. Definitely not 80s, probably 90s. But this thing is dope. Doesn't look like there's any stains on it. So very happy about that. It is a double XL. Let's see if we can focus in on that. There we go, double XL, 100% nylon, pretty basic. You know, it's probably not that vintage. It might even actually be 2000s, but still, it's cool. This will be something that we put on eBay, you know, 20, 25 bucks. So, just trying to get through all this stuff, guys. Hopefully we find some big winners. So this is just, you know, some of the stuff that I found. Definitely found some good stuff at this, you know, just free clothing grab bag style place, right? Hawaiian shirts, flannels, some really good brands. Now I plan on selling the majority of this stuff on eBay. I don't want to have a bunch of it sell for a buck or two at tag sales. If it does, I'm still happy with it though, because my initial investment was free besides garbage bags that I had to buy to put this stuff in. I paid up because I met them at a U-Haul and I just decided to buy the garbage bags there. They were charging $10 for 10 bags at a U-Haul. Huge upmark, or huge up pricing or whatever, surcharge, I don't even know what I'm trying to say, but still very expensive for the garbage bags. But I'm happy that I was able to get them, throw all these clothes in them. All the clothes that you guys are seeing down here on the ground right now, all of this stuff was from one garbage bag, and I have about 5 or 6 of them. So we're just trying to get through this stuff. Hopefully we find a lot of stuff to sell on eBay. I'll be super happy, and of course I'm going to show you guys some of the sales that end up coming through a little bit later, so definitely keep up to date with this. Remember guys, there's still some useful information out there, so LL Bean, keep an eye out for it. If you find this stuff at the bin, here we go, we are back. I ran out of recording room on my camera. But if you guys find these brands at the Goodwill outlets, Goodwill bins, or even at tag sales for a buck a piece, they're still worth it to pick up. LL Bean sells very well for me. And now it doesn't go for, you know, $20 and up most of the time. Some of the more vintage stuff does. If it has wool in it, that stuff will go for more. But just a basic cotton button up, they'll still go for good money, guys. Keep an eye out for that kind of stuff, okay? You know, hopefully you enjoyed this quick video just showing you guys kind of the sort of stuff that I'm sorting through right now. Hopefully I find some real hidden gems in here. We were just grabbing and throwing in these bags. We only had 40 minutes to stuff these bags with as much stuff as we could. So I don't even know 100% what's in these bags. So I'm going to continue to go through these. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Remember to give it a thumbs up if you haven't already. This is Thrift School signing out. See ya. Say bye, Soph. Say bye. Adios. Okay, whatever. Yeah, so these are the extra bags that we are definitely going to need to go through. This looks This looks pretty, oh, look at that. Ooh, money, money, money. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, this is way more than I thought we were gonna have from that one bag that are good. These are all the clothes that are good. I just brought them into the office, and these ones are all good to go. No stains, no missing buttons. I mean, honestly, it was the majority. I think only 5 or 6 shirts were bad. The other ones that aren't here have to go into the dryer to be de-wrinkled, and the others have to be put into the wash just to be cleaned. So, pretty freaking awesome, guys. Very happy about this pickup so far. Just off this one bag, I mean, I'm expected to make at least, I mean, this doesn't sound like a lot, but, you know, profit after shipping, after fees, after all that, I think about 100 to 150 bucks out of all of these right here. So, very happy.